Okay, we have an external hard drive case here. This one is for 3.5 inch. It's USB 3, plug and play, and it's SATA 2. It's an aluminium case with an active LED. So basically I've taken my drive out of my main computer and put an SSD. So I now have these requirements to put the other drive into an external drive, since it's a faster spin speed, and I could use that instead of my little 2.5 inch drive. It comes with a USB cable there, nice little blue one there, confirming it's USB 3. That's the other connection on this one. Oh, it's actually quite different. Look at this. I thought it was just a printer cable kind of equivalent, but it's got a little double end here. That will go into there. Got the on off button and the LED light and the power in. So this is your power. If you want to know what wattages it is and that, there you go. It's 0.8 amp. And it's 240 volt, this particular one. It might vary different countries. I've got a little stand for it there. So we'll have a look at what that looks like. Because you've got to have the connections on the bottom. So obviously it's sideways. And we've got screw holes there. And it comes with a screwdriver as well. I've got the instructions here. Now to connect it all up. So basically, let's have a look inside. So with this, the back slides off, and there you have the hard drive connection. That one there, which will then go into the hard drive there. So they match up. So there we go. I've now got it connected together. And that just needs to slide in the case. You know, I could literally run it like that. Obviously the case makes it look nicer together. So I will now need to screw here and then the other side, and that will keep it together and keep the drive in. It comes with quite a lot of screws here. I've got 2 in this little bag, and there's another 4 there, and they all look the same to me. So quite a few spare screws, which is quite interesting. I've got the screws in. Nice little bit of chrome there. And then on the back, I've now plugged this into my computer at the other end, which is like the USB. I now plug that into there. Now what I also need is the power lead in there. It's already on. I can hear the hard drive speed up. And there we go. The computer has now seen the hard drive, and I now can use that and take my data from it, erase it, use it as an external drive. See, I've got a 2.5 inch here, but this is a 5,400 spindle speed, where this is quite a fast 7,200 speed. You can put faster hard drives in there, no doubt. There you go.